everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nikki with MontanaCrochetCreations.com. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making this really cute crochet basket. It's actually meant for an ice cream pint, but I thought it was really cute in my bathroom. I use it to hold all of my beauty products for my face of the morning. So what I'm going to do is make another one, and I thought it'd be really cute to hold all of my crochet hooks. So you're going to need a few things here. You're going to need a 10mm crochet hook, and then we're also going to use a nice thick, super bulky, let me get this out of the way, a super bulky yarn. And what I'm going to use today is the Lion brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick. It's a super bulky number 6 yarn, and it's going to make your project work up really quickly. So you'll also need a pair of craft scissors, and you're going to need a yarn needle for weaving in your yarn tail where you're done. So go ahead and grab your supplies, and I'll meet you back here in just a few minutes. All right, so I have my yarn and my 10mm crochet hook. And the very first thing that we're going to do for this crochet basket is we are going to create our magic circle. And if you don't know how to do a magic circle, I will leave a link in the right-hand corner for you with a step-by-step breakdown. But how I create a magic circle is I like to take my end piece of my yarn and put it in the palm of my hand. And I hold that between my thumb and my middle finger. Then I come around my 2 fingers here, making sure to crisscross my yarn. And then I insert my hook underneath this first loop of yarn. I grab the working yarn and twist, creating that little loop right there. Then I grab my working yarn and pull through. And we've created our chain right there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to chain one more time. And we're going to put 8 half double crochet into this magic circle right here. In order to do a half double crochet, you're going to yarn over your hook and insert it into that magic circle. We're going to pull our yarn through, and now we have our 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and draw through all 3 of those loops. That creates your half double crochet. So let's do that 7 more times. There's 2, 3, 4, maybe. Let's try it again. 4, 5, 6, and 7. So at the end of round 1, you should have a total of 8 half double crochet. All right, so we have our 8 half double crochet, and we're going to pull this yarn tail right here nice and tight. And what that does is it closes up that middle magic circle right there. And we're going to come over, and we are going to slip stitch to the top of this very first half double crochet. So that gives you your 8 half double crochet. For round 2, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to place 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. We're going to start in this chain 2 space because this chain 2 does not count as your first half double crochet. So we're going to insert our hook into that chain 2 space and draw up a loop. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're going to go back into that same space right here. And we're going to create another half double crochet. So let's go ahead and place 2 half double crochet in each stitch all the way around. At the end of round 2, you should have a total of 16 half double crochet. All right, so we're at the end of round 2, and we've slip stitched to the top of our first half double crochet. We're going to chain 2, And now we're going to place 2 half double crochet in this chain 2 space. There's 2. And then we're going to place 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around of placing 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet until you get back to the beginning of round 3. At the end of round 3, we're going to slip stitch to the top of our first half double crochet. At the end of round 3, you should have a total of 24 stitches. So go ahead and finish out round 3 and I'll meet you back here in just a few minutes. All right, so we're at the end of round 3 and I've slip stitched to the top of my first half double crochet. And at the end of round 3, you should have a total of 27 stitches. So we're going to chain 2. For rounds 4 through 9, we are going to place 1 half double crochet in the chain 2 space and 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way around for rounds 4 through 9. At the end of round 9, you should still have a total of 27 stitches. And as you can see, this project works up really quick. We're coming up to the end of round 4 here, and I just wanted to show you what it was going to start looking like. As you can see, it's starting to kind of curl over onto itself, and that's what you want. It's starting to create the sides of this crochet basket. So go ahead and finish with rounds 5 through 9, and I'll meet you back here and we'll talk about what to do for round 10. So we are at the end of round 9. And as you can see, the sides on here are nice and tall. It stands up nicely on its own. This is because we're using that number 6 super bulky yarn. So I think it'll be a really cute little basket for whatever you want to put in there. So what we're going to do for round 10 is we're just going to finish off this top. So we're just going to, so at the end of round 9, I actually slip stitched to the top of my first half double crochet. And now we're going to continue around just slip stitching to the top of every single stitch. And it's just going to give it this nice little finished edge here all the way around. So go ahead and slip stitch to the top of in every single stitch for round 10. And then when you get back around to the beginning here, then you're going to want to fasten off your yarn and then weave in all of your yarn tails. And that is it. So I've got my basket here. You can see it holds my crochet hooks nicely, and I think it goes really great here in my studio. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell as I post weekly tutorials right here on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.